Mary showing how the art of ironing in an RV.
She's doing great.
We're picking blueberries. You excited to pick blueberries?
I am absolutely, totally excited.
It's kind of hard to pick when you're eating them all.
Yeah, where is it? Right? Too late.
Blueberry ice cream. Blueberry farms to orange groves. We do it all.
Having problems parking?
Yeah.
Welcome to Orlando.
Well, it took us 30 minutes to go 8 miles.
Did you really?
Yeah,
Oh, that's
I
great.
see you all nodding. Hi, guys.
Hi, Dean.
Dean.
Yes.
But I brought this so that you guys could write maybe your name and maybe if whatever you sign off on Facebook so that we can start linking.
Oh, okay.
Do you know what I mean?
Absolutely.
So, because people sign off Hungry Cuban and then you're like, okay, wait a minute. Awesome. Well, thank you for coming, you guys. This is like incredible. So, and then also we want to let you know that this is for you too because these are your neighbors, right? Anyway, we're just always overwhelmed and always excited to meet everyone. Yeah.